Normality in SPSS. Before applying any kind of multivariate data analysis test, uh, the researchers basically focus on how to check the normality of the variable. So there is one condition that before checking the normality of your distribution, normality of your variable should be measured on either ratio scale or either on the interval scale. When also when your variable is measured on nominal or ordinal scale, you cannot check the normality of that variable. So for checking the normality, it is required that that particular variable, whether it's independent or dependent variable, it should be measured on interval or the ratio scale. Now here is the process, like how you will check the normality of your distribution. So, yeah, go to here. Okay, firstly, let me explain these two variables like x1 and x2. Here, x1 is representing the stress and x2 is representing the compulsive buying. So, both the variables are measured on the ratio scale on 1 to 10 scale. Okay, now the question is, how will you check the normality? So firstly you will go to analyze, you will go to descriptive statistics, and then you will go to explore. In explore, you will put your both the variables, means the variables for which you want to check the normality, you will put both the variables by clicking on these. You will put it here in the dependent list. Then you will click on plots, simply on plots, and then click on normality plots with test, then continue, and then simply put OK. Yeah, here is my output. So you will skip all this. Simply you want to check the normality. So what you will do, you will simply go to this table. Yeah, you will simply go for this table, that is test of normality. You will check for two. There are the two tests, that is called Shapiro-Wilk test and another one is called the Kolmogorov-Smirnov test. So, or in short form, the tests are known as the KS test and the SW test. So what is the condition for checking the normality? That this p-value, that is significant value, should be greater than 0.05. Then in that case you will say your distribution or your variable is normally distributed. Like in case of stress, you will see the value of this significance, that is which is 0.000, which is less than 0.05. Also for Shapiro-Wilk test, the value of the significance is less than 0.05, that is 0.000. So you can say that here this variable stress is not normally distributed. Why? Because the value of this significance value, that is p value, is less than 0.05. And what I said earlier, that the condition for the normality is that this p value, that is the significant value, should be greater than 0.05. Similarly, in the case of this compulsive buying, you can see the significance value for both the tests, that is for Kolmogorov-Smirnov KS test and for the Shapiro-Wilk test SW test, the p value, that is significant value, is 0.2, and for SW test it is zero point 0.8. So you can say both the values are greater than 0.05. So it means that this variable is normally distributed. So what I said, keep for normality, your p value should be greater than 0.05. Thank you so much.